In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from specific Udemy Instructor emails on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop emails from a particular course or instructor without affecting notifications from your other courses. Start by opening your browser and going to udemy.com. Log into your account so the settings apply correctly. Next, head to the course that's sending you emails. You can do this by visiting the course page directly or by launching the course player. If you're not sure which course is responsible, check a recent email for the course title, then search for that course on Udemy and open it. Once the course player is open, look to the top right corner of the player. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. In that drop-down, you'll see checkboxes for different types of emails. Common options include new announcement emails and promotional emails. Here's what those mean so you can choose confidently. New announcement emails are messages an instructor sends to the entire class about updates, resources, or reminders related to the course. Promotional emails are marketing messages from the instructor, like special offers or new course launches. If you want to stop receiving a certain type of message from this specific course, simply uncheck the box next to that category. There's usually no separate Save button here. Your choice takes effect immediately. It's important to note that this change applies only to the course you're currently viewing. Unchecking these boxes stops that specific instructor or course from sending those types of emails, and it does not affect your notifications for other Udemy courses. If there are multiple courses you want to adjust, repeat these same steps in each course's player. A quick tip: after you uncheck the boxes, you can refresh the page and open the drop-down again to confirm your settings stuck. If you ever change your mind, go back to the same spot and recheck the boxes to start receiving those emails again. To recap the flow, log into Udemy on your desktop, open the course player for the course that's emailing you, click the 3 dots at the top right, and uncheck new announcement emails and/or promotional emails as needed. That's all it takes to fine-tune your inbox, keep important updates you care about, and skip the rest without disrupting notifications from your other courses.